Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and exciting topic, the art of flirting. Whether you're looking to impress someone new or just want to brush up on your skills, this video is for you. So, let's get started. First things first, what exactly is flirting? Flirting is a playful way of showing someone that you're interested in them romantically or sexually. It can be verbal, nonverbal, or a mix of both. But remember, the key to flirting is to keep it light and fun. No pressure, just connection. Now, let's talk about body language. Did you know that a lot of flirting happens without saying a word? Here are some key body language tips. Locking eyes for a few seconds can create a spark. Just don't stare too long. Make it playful. A genuine smile can go a long way. It shows you're approachable and interested. If you're engaged in conversation, lean in slightly. It shows that you're invested in what they're saying. Subtly mimicking their gestures can create a sense of connection. Just be natural about it. Remember, confidence is key. Stand tall and don't be afraid to show that you're interested. Next up, let's talk about verbal flirting. Here are some fun techniques you can use. Light-hearted teasing can create a fun dynamic. Just keep it friendly and avoid sensitive topics. Everyone loves a compliment. Make it specific and genuine. Instead of just saying "you look nice," try "that color really brings out your eyes." This keeps the conversation flowing and shows you're interested in getting to know them. For example, "What's the most interesting place you've traveled to?" Let's practice. So, "What's your favorite way to spend a weekend?" This invites them to share more about themselves. Timing and context are everything when it comes to flirting. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Flirting at a party is different from flirting at work. Make sure the environment is appropriate. Pay attention to their body language and responses. If they seem engaged, keep going. If not, it might be time to switch gears. If someone isn't reciprocating, that's okay. Respect their space and move on gracefully. Finally, practice makes perfect. The more you flirt, the more comfortable you'll become. Try flirting with friends or in low-pressure situations to build your confidence. Remember, it's all about having fun and connecting with others, so don't take it too seriously. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite flirting tip? Until next time, keep it fun and flirty.